Welcome to the Body Balance Buzz channel, your one-stop destination for all things health and wellness. Today's video is healthy eating on a budget, smart tips and tricks. If you're new to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our awesome content. Today, we've got something super special in store for you. We're diving deep into the world of healthy eating on a budget, sharing some smart tips and tricks that'll keep your body and your wallet happy. So, whether you're a student, a young professional, or just someone looking to save some bucks while nourishing your body, you're in the right place. Alright, let's jump right into it. Plan your meals. The first step in mastering healthy eating on a budget is planning your meals. It's all about making a list, checking it twice, and sticking to it when you hit the grocery store. Here's a little secret: planning your meals not only helps you eat healthier but also saves you tons of money. You'll avoid impulse purchases and reduce food waste. Plus, it's a fantastic way to get creative with your cooking. Buy in bulk. Moving on to our second tip, buying in bulk. When it comes to pantry staples like rice, beans, pasta, and oats, bulk is your best friend. You can get more for your money and reduce packaging waste at the same time. Just look at all these goodies I found at the local market. Buying in bulk means less packaging and more savings. And don't worry, these items have a long shelf life, so they won't go to waste. Seasonal and local produce. Now, let's talk about eating in harmony with the seasons. Opting for seasonal and local produce can be a game changer for your wallet and your taste buds. When you buy seasonal fruits and vegetables, you're getting them at their peak freshness, which means they taste amazing. Plus, they're often more affordable because they're in abundance. Supporting local farmers is also a great way to give back to your community. Prepare your meals in bulk. Here's a trick that will save you both time and money: meal prep. Spending a little extra time in the kitchen on the weekend can set you up for success throughout the week. I like to prepare big batches of things like chili, stir-fries, or salads that I can portion out for lunches or dinners. This not only saves money on takeout but also ensures I'm eating something wholesome and nutritious. The magic of leftovers. Now, don't underestimate the power of leftovers. They can be your best friend when it comes to healthy eating on a budget. Got some leftover roasted veggies from last night's dinner? Turn them into a savory frittata for breakfast or a tasty wrap for lunch. Get creative, and you'll never feel like you're eating the same thing twice. Shop for sales and use coupons. Here's a tip that's as old as time: shop the sales and use coupons. You'd be surprised at how much money you can save by being a savvy shopper. Check out these coupons I found in the local circular. It's like free money for your groceries. And always keep an eye on those discounted items. They're your ticket to eating well without breaking the bank. Do-it-yourself snacks. Let's not forget about snacks. Those store-bought snacks can really add up. Why not try making your own? Whether it's homemade granola bars, yogurt parfaits, or even popcorn, do-it-yourself snacks are not only cost-effective but also healthier since you control the ingredients. Meals without meat. Now, let's talk about the wallet-friendly world of meatless meals. Incorporating more plant-based options into your diet can be a major money saver. Beans, lentils, tofu, and even mushrooms are not only cost-effective but also packed with protein and flavor. Try swapping out meat for these options in your favorite recipes, and you'll see the savings add up. Minimize food waste. Another key to healthy eating on a budget is minimizing food waste. It's like throwing money in the trash when you waste food, and nobody wants that. Instead of tossing those carrot tops or broccoli stems, get creative. Use them in stocks or turn them into tasty snacks. By reducing food waste, you're not only saving money but also helping the environment. Share with the community. Last but not least, let's talk about community sharing. Many neighborhoods have groups or organizations where people share surplus produce or pantry items. These initiatives can be a lifesaver when you're on a budget. Plus, it's a wonderful way to connect with your community and give back. So, don't hesitate to explore these options in your area. You never know what delicious surprises you might find. And there you have it, our complete guide to healthy eating on a budget. Remember, eating well doesn't have to cost a fortune. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our fantastic content. Thank you for joining us today on Body Balance Buzz. Until next time, keep those taste buds happy, your wallet full, and your health in check.